how to log out of unknown sessions of your Roblox account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact and simple methods on how you can log out of unknown sessions of your Roblox account. So if you believe that someone else is logged into your account, then you can simply log out from their account or their device using this simple method. So the first thing that you're going to do is simply launch your Roblox application and then click onto this more option. Now once you click onto this more option, you will see an interface like this, and from here choose settings. Now within the settings, you can choose security and wait to load the page, and within the security you will need to scroll down and you can see this option that says where you are logged in. It will show you all of the places that you are currently logged in to your Roblox account. Now you can see that this is the particular session I am logged in, and apart from that, if you see any other sessions that you don't recognize, you can click onto this option that is log out of all other sessions. Once you will do this, it will ask you for a warning that you will be logged out of all other sessions. Are you sure? To proceed, click onto this logout and you will be logged out of other sessions after providing in your two-step verification code if you have generated or opted for the same like I did. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.